Welcome to our tutorial on the conic command. We're going to create a conic curve in this tutorial. Let's activate the conic curve command and explore its definition window. The first element is to select a support. We're going to select this planar surface here. Now we select a start point, end point, a start tangent point, and an end tangent. And let's preview. Next, we have a tangent intersection point option. Let's select this point. Basically, both of these tangents will intersect at this point. Here we have some additional options. We can select passing points. Click OK. And here is our conic curve. This concludes our tutorial on the conic command.